Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. From today we start the Hallo Deutsch series from class 6 to class 8. First we start with the class 6 Module-1 Lektion-1. The name of chapter is Hallo. Hallo means hello. So I request to all of you, please open your books. The name of chapter is Hallo and the page number is 8. Page we called Seite, number we called Nummer. On each and every word, please write the pronunciation and the meaning. Hallo. Hallo means hello. Ich heiße Stefan. I called Stefan. Wie heißt du? What called you? Grüß dich. Grüß dich again means hello. Ich bin Tina. I am Tina. Wer bist du? Who are you? Meow meow. Und ich heiße Mauzi. And I called Mauzi. On the page number 8, you have these three dialogues. The boy says this dialogue, the girl says this dialogue, and the cat says this dialogue. Now you know the meaning of each and every word. Ich means I, heiße means cold, Stefan is Stefan. Wie means what, heiß means cold, du means you. Grüß dich is hello, ich means I, bin means am, Tina is the name of person. Wer means who, bist means are, du means you. Meow meow is meow meow. Und means and, I means ich, heiße means cold, and the Mauzi is the name of cat. So if you want to introduce yourself, so how you say? You say ich heiße. After heiße you need to mention your name. You say ich heiße, then you need to mention your name. And if you want to say ich bin, so first you say ich bin, then your name. Yeah, this is the two way of introducing yourself, telling your name. First is ich heiße, second is ich bin. After ich heiße, first you write your first name, and after ich bin, again you write your name. Yeah. So now we go to the question number first, page number 8, Seite Nummer 8. So it is on the same page number. The question is, was sagen Sie? What they say? Hör zu. You listen. So now you listen the audio and then tell me what they are saying.
Hallo Deutsch, Band 1. Modul 1, ich, du, wir. Lektion 1, Hallo. Was sagen Sie?
Hallo, ich heiße Stefan. Wie heißt du? Grüß dich, ich bin Tina. Wer bist du?
Miau, miau, und ich heiße Mauzi.
Yeah, so in this audio we have the same dialogues. There's a three words. Ich means I, du means you, wir means we. After that they just tell the name of book, name of chapter, module, and then Lektion. Then the dialogue is same. Hallo, hallo means hello. Ich heiße Stefan, wie heißt du? Grüß dich, ich bin Tina. Wer bist du? Meow, meow. Ich heiße Mauzi. So first you introduce yourself, you tell your name, then ask the question to your friend, to other person what they called. Then we are going to the question number second. Question number second is on page number 9. Page number 9 we say Seite Nummer 9. Now the Seite Nummer 9, Frage Nummer 2. Frage Nummer 2 means question number second. The question number second is Lies und ergänze dabei. Meaning is read and complete yourself. In this question you have a filling the blanks. You need to fill the blank with the help of the dialogues which we read earlier. So if you want to greet someone in German, so how you greet someone? Now you have two options. If you want to say hello, so you say hello. If you want to say grüß, so say grüß. You have two options in greeting, hello or grüß. Remember, whenever you go to your classes, so say your teacher grüß or you say hello. Yeah, or teacher we say Lehrerin. So say hello Lehrerin, grüß dich Lehrerin. So you say hello or grüß dich. If you want to ask the name of person, so you say wer bist du. You have a two options. You want to say wer bist du, and second option is wie heißt du. So first, this is a dialogue of Tina. So Tina asked wer bist du, who are you. Then Stefan asked wie heißt du, what call you. So I fill the blank with the blue and the question is with the black. If you want to introduce oneself, means your own self. So how you introduce own self? Now the Tina tell their name. Ich bin, then Tina. Ich bin, then Tina. Or Stefan say ich heiße Stefan. So after bin, after heiße, you need to write your name. For example, my name is Ritu. Or if I want to say in German, I am Ritu, so I say ich bin Ritu. If I say I called Ritu, so I say ich heiße Ritu. So remember, after bin you need to write your name, after heiße you need to write your name. Your next question is question number 3, Frage Nummer 3, Seite Nummer 9. On the same page number. Page number is same, page number is 9 and the question number is 3rd. Ryan Übung, fragt und antwortet. Fragt und antwortet. Question and answer. So I just write the answer with the blue one. Answer is already and question is already given in the book. I just highlight the answer with the blue one, question with the red. So ich heiße Ben. I call Ben. If someone asks you wie heißt du, then you give the answer in ich heiße. Remember, when your question is in heißt, so answer is also in heißt format. So it is heiße. Ich heiße Kamal. I called Kamal. So the question is wie heißt du? So what is your name or what call you? Ich bin Hane. Ich bin Hane. I am Hane. So the question is where bist du? So remember, so whenever you are saying ich bin, your question is where bist du. Whenever you say ich heiße, your question is wie heißt. Yeah. Next the question is heißt du Christoph? Whenever verb come at the first position, it means your answer is in yes or no. Yeah. If verbs come out at the first position, it means your answer is in yes or no. If your name is Christoph, so you say yes. If your name is not Christoph, so you say no. So how we say no in German? We say nein. No we say in German, nein. Ich heiße Ben. I called Ben. Now your name is not Christoph, so you say nein. Ich heiße Ben. If your name is Christoph, so how you say? You say ja. Ich heiße Christoph. Yes, I called Christoph. You called Christoph? No, I called Ben. Yes, I called Christoph. Now this is your last question in question number 3, and this question you need to write the answer. Heißt du Mia? You call Mia. Heißt du Mia? You call Mia. If your name is Mia, so you say ja. Ich heiße Mia. If your name is not Mia, so you say nein. No. Ich heiße, after heiße you need to mention your name. Yeah. So remember, now you have two questions. Maybe in your exam, anyone can ask wie heißt du? So you give the answer ich heiße. You don't say ich bin, because the answer for wie heißt answer is ich heiße. Yeah. Also your answer where bist, when your question is in where bist, so give the answer in ich bin. Don't give the answer in ich heiße. If in your question verbs come at the first, it means your answer in yes or no. If you agree with the answer, you say ja, ich heiße. If you don't agree with the answer, you say nein. Now we go to the next question. Next question is Frage Nummer 4. Was sagen Sie? What they say? Lies den Dialog. Read the dialogue. Now you read the dialogues. Hello Ben. So hello Ben. There is a dialogue. There are two persons. One is Ben. One is Kamal. So I just write the dialogue in the points. Hello Kamal. Wie geht's? Hello Kamal. How are you? Danke gut. Und dir? Thank you good. And you? Auch gut. Danke. Also good. Thank you. So this is a very common conversation. In English also, if you meet with someone, so how you greet to each other? Yeah, what is your first question? Basically you ask, hello, how are you? The person say, I am good. Yeah, what about you? You are saying, I am also good. So you are saying, I am also good, thank you. Same conversation we read in German. Hello means hello. If you want to say grüß dich, so you say grüß dich. Then wie geht's means how are you? Yeah, now if you want to ask with someone how are you, so how you say wie geht's. Then danke. Danke means thanks. Good means good. Thank you, I am good. Und dir, and you, how are you? Auch gut. Also good. Danke means thanks. The person is saying danke, thanks. So in question first to fourth, what we learn how we introduce oneself and how we ask the question to the other ones. So what is the question? We just learn the three questions. First question is wie heißt du, wer bist du, and then third question is wie geht's. First question is wie heißt du, second question is wer bist du, and the third question is wie geht's. So the answer of the first question, the meaning is what called you. So if someone asks you what called you, so you say I called, then your name. So your name is ich heiße, then your name. If someone asks you where bist du, yeah, so your answer is ich bin and then your name. Yeah. Whenever the question is in heiß form, answer is also in heiß form. If your question is bist form, answer is in bin form. Then if someone asks wie geht's, so you say thank you, I'm good. So thank you good, you say danke gut. And you want to ask with the person how are you, so you say und dir, and auch gut means also good. Thank you. So now write in the comment section wie heißt du or wer bist du. So wie heißt du and wer bist du. Yeah. So this is all for today. Yeah, if you have any doubt, so ask me in the comment section or on my Instagram. I mention my Instagram ID in the description box. Yeah, this is all for today. Thank you. If you like this video, please like and subscribe my channel.